easiest way to overcome emotional shutdown is by helping your body release what words can't. The most overlooked path to healing emotional shutdown isn't through words, it's through the body. We've been taught that insight equals healing, that the more you talk about your pain, the more it will loosen its grip. But if that were true, why are so many intelligent, self-aware, even doing the work, still stuck in patterns of anxiety, fatigue, and emotional disconnection? Because trauma doesn't just live in the mind. It lives in your nervous system, in your fascia, your heartbeat, your energy field. And what restores regulation isn't more mental processing. It's an energetic reset at the root level. Here's how quantum energy therapy works. Numbness means your system is protecting you, not failing you. Emotional shutdown is often a sign of overload. QET gently locates and realigns the circuits that shorted under trauma, helping sensation, clarity, and connection return. Ask yourself, what emotion feels unsafe to feel? That's often where freeze begins. Insight alone can't rewire dysregulation. Energy can. Knowing your trauma doesn't override your nervous system's emergency signals. QET works directly with the vagus nerve and energy channels to restore flow and safety. Start by grounding your body, then the mind will follow. Pain isn't just emotional, it's electrical. Unresolved trauma imprints onto your energy field. QET clears those energetic residues, realigning flow through the meridians, chakras, and biofields. Healing begins when the body remembers how to connect. Even clients who felt too far gone have found peace not by talking more, but by releasing what words can't touch. Comment transform, and I'll send you the link for a free quantum energy healing session.